开水炮喷抗议民众，各段催泪加速。比利时警察用真侪种手段来赶示威民众，因为伫咧布鲁塞尔差不多5万人来包围欧盟总部。 路边大楼玻璃拢被夹喙齿，店面嘛互抢劫，各地铁站互破坏。警察和民众起冲突，两边拢有人受伤，互送去病院。和平抗议的游行队伍，赶快对因的诉求发声。
And not to mislead the people, and take care of the vulnerable, but leave the other people, the healthy people, go to work, go to school, go to party.
比利时当面对第5波疫情，一天确诊数拢超过6万人。政府要求民众注满预防针的5个月后，爱搁注加强剂。若无疫苗通行证就无效，若是要注第3针，真侪公共场所都袂当去。
But I was very angry that my children had to have the vaccine, and they just took it because of the freedom.
包含比利时，真侪欧洲国家尽量拢爱注着预防针，所以才会使予民众感觉无便利的政策，亲像法国。 为1月20日开始有疫苗通行证，不过卫生组织认为现阶段阻挡传染已经不是重点。
Omicron is highly transmissible because the mutations it has enabled it to adhere to human cells more easily, and it can infect even those who have been previously infected or vaccinated.
世卫欧洲区的主任讲，到3月 ，Omicron 的变种病毒可能会感染欧洲6成的人。但到这波疫情消退，民众唔是注完疫苗，啊无就是破病已经好利啊，有免疫力。到时阵欧洲疫情就真紧煞去。
Schools should be the last places to close and the first to reopen.
世卫讲，全球应该加强保护弱势族群。自然期刊最近刊2篇文章，讲 Omicron 因为最近有免疫脱走的能力，所以就算含delta的病毒量相像，不过传染率真悬。期刊嘛建议美国 CDC 修改隔离政策，安尼才会当诱惑民众和民众的生活空间。